Hello children, so welcome back to today's online session of grade 3rd children. In today's session we are going to revise unit number 8, that is everything happens for our own good. Okay children, let us go into revise. Before going to revise the lesson, let us see some new words which has been given in your test. Okay children, let us revise some new words. Irritated. Irritated means angry. Okay children, irritated means angry. Second one, flew into a rage. Flew into a rage means become very angry. Third one, deserve. Deserve means to be worthy some reward or punishment. Okay. Fourth one, sped. Sped means to go with a great speed. Fifth one, wake up with a start means to get up suddenly. Sixth one, weapon. Weapons means any tool used for fighting. Astonish. Seventh one, astonish means surprise or amazed. Okay children, irritated means angry, flew into a rage means become very angry, deserve means to be worthy some reward or punishment, sped means to go with a great speed, wake up with a start means to get up suddenly, weapon means any tool used for fighting, astonish means surprise or amazed. Okay. Now let us revise the story of a wise king. Okay. Everything happens for our own good children. Okay, let us open page number 23. Just keep on moving your finger wherever I am reading children. Okay, let us revise. A wise and just king ruled over a Gajapuram. Okay, who ruled over Gajapuram children? A wise king, one of the wise king. He was very wise and brave children. He ruled over a Gajapuram. Okay children, his kingdom was very rich and prosperous. His kingdom, his Raja Sainik children, he was having a kingdom that is very rich and prosperous means very satisfied with whatever they have. Okay, this was because he had a council of learned ministers who gave him good advice on how to govern the kingdom. He is having a learned wise ministers in his council. Okay children, the king is having a very good ministers in his councils children. Okay, they are giving him a good advice to govern the kingdom, to rule over the kingdom. Okay, there was one minister, however, he had a great habit. There was one minister in his great learned ministers, there was one minister who is having a strange habit. Whenever anyone said anything, whether it is good or bad, he says only one sentence, that is, everything happens for our own good. Okay children? Whenever anyone said anything to him or narrated some incident, whatever happened with them, whether it is happy or sad, he had replied only one sentence, that is, everything happens for our own good. Even if something really sad happened, his sentence was only one, that is, everything happens for our own good. So this habits irritated the king. Irritated means annoyed. The king was getting angry after listening the only one sentence which was said by one of the minister of his kingdom, and the king wanted to prove him wrong. So one day the king tripped on a big stone in his palace garden and fell down. One day, tripped means slipped on a big stone in his garden's palace. Okay, and he fell down. The little finger of the king has cut. Okay children, the little finger of the king has got cut, the minister who was with the king, he said again that sentence only, children. Who was with the king at that time? Your Majesty. Your Majesty means giving respect to the king. I am sorry, your finger has got cut, but I am sure it is for your own good. The king, the minister who was with the king at that time. When the king has fallen down and got cut his finger that time, the minister was there with the king and the minister said, Your Majesty, I am sorry, but your finger has got cut, but this happens for your own good. After listening this, the king got very angry. How can be this for my own good? The king asked to the minister that how can it be for my own good? My finger is bleeding. Bleeding means flowing the blood from his finger. I am in a pain because the king was in a pain. His finger has got cut and his finger was bleeding. Bleeding means the blood is coming out from his finger. He was in pain. Yet you say that it is good for my own good. What a silly thing you say. What you are talking? Why it happens to me? What is the use of this? Why you are saying that it is for my own good? You don't deserve to be the minister in my court. The king said that the minister was not deserved to be the minister in his court. Okay. Then he was very angry that he ordered his bodyguard to put the minister into the prison. Prison means jail. Okay children, the minister who said that everything happens for our own good, he got imprisoned, okay, by the king. The minister was not worried at all because he thought that too happened for his own good. He has got imprisoned children. So that too happens for his own good. So he is not so worried about that. Even as he was being led into the prison, he told the king, Your Majesty, you are doing this for my own good. Again, he said to the king that he was doing that for the minister's own good. After listening this, the king again got very angry and he decided to put the minister into the prison for a long time. 2 days later, the king decided to go for a hunting in the forest. Enjoying the ride on his horse, he went on horse children. By riding the horse, he went to forest for hunting. Enjoying the ride on his horse, he sped into a jungle. Sped means he was going very speedily by riding on the horse. Okay? He went very speedily by leaving his guards behind him. Okay? He went very far from the guards. And that was very hot day. It was sunny day. After a while, he decided to take some rest because he got very tired after riding on a horse. So he decided to take some rest under a tree, okay, under a shady tree, under the shade of the tree. The breeze was so smoothing that he soon fell asleep. There was a breeze. Breeze means wind, air. Breeze was so soothing. Soothing means to make you feel calm. He was feeling calm after sleeping under the tree. He suddenly woke up. After sitting under a tree, he fell asleep. Means he was sleeping. He suddenly woke up with a start. Woke up with a start means to get up suddenly. He suddenly woke up. When he suddenly woke up, a big lion was charging towards him. The big lion was moving towards him. He did not know what to do. the king did not know what to do because there was a lion moving towards him. And the king forgot that he has brought the weapons. Weapons means the things which are used for the fighting. Okay. He forgot that he has brought some weapons with him. He just closed his eyes and pretended to sleep. He was doing the drama as he is sleeping in front of the lion. The lion snipped him from head to toe. Okay, children? And then walked away. The lion saw that he snipped. The lion snipped from head to toe to the king. And the lion saw that he got the injury in his finger. And the lion walked away. He did not kill the king. Okay, children? The king was truly astonished after seeing this. The king was very surprised. Astonished means amazed. He got surprised. He lay there for some time because he was pretending that he was sleeping. He lay there for some more time. When he was sure that the lion had disappeared into the jungle, he got up. Who? The king got up and he mounted on a horse and returned to his palace. The lion's behavior had truly puzzled him. The lion's behavior made him very confused because that lion did not kill him. So the king has got confused. So he called his all ministers and he narrated the story, whatever happened there with him. He narrated everything, whatever happened there. He narrated the incident, children. Why do you think the lion spared me? He inquired to the ministers. Okay, one wise minister told him, Your Majesty, you did have any injury on your body? The minister asked to the king that, is he having any injury? Injury means gaya, children. Is he having any injury in his body? It is known fact that the lion will not touch anyone who is having injury. Okay, children, the lion is not killing them who is killing and eating them who is having the injury in their body. So, an injury, yes, my little finger got cut. The king has replied that, yes, I had an injury that my little finger has got cut. Before the king could complete the sentence, he got remembered that one of his minister, strange habit minister, has told him that everything happens for his own good. So he remembered those minister's words that everything happens for our own good. The king could not believe it because his injured finger had actually saved the life of the king, children. He did not believe in that because that injured finger saved his life. He immediately went to the prison and himself only he released the minister who has got in the prison. He brought him back to the court and in front of all the ministers he asked for the forgiveness. Forgiveness means kshamisudu. Honored sir, your statements has been proved beyond all the doubt. My finger got hurt and saved my life. He has told that his finger has saved his life. But tell me how your being in prison was good for you. He was asking the minister that how being in prison is good for the minister. The wise minister smiled. Your Majesty, Had you not thrown me in the prison, I would have been with you when the lion came. If the king has not put him in the prison, he would have been with the king for the forest. The minister has not having any injury in his body. Only the king was having the injury in his body. So, if the lion seen the minister, he would have killed him. So, he said that, and since I am not suffering from any injury, the lion would have surely killed the minister. So, you are very wise person. You deserve to be my prime minister. The king has ordered that. You are very wise. The king has told him that he was very wise person and he deserved his prime minister position. And the king paused. Winking at his newly appointed prime minister, he continued to say that, from today, even I began to believe that, from that day, the king has begun to believe that everything happens for our own good, children. Okay, children, hope you have understood this. Now let us solve the worksheet. Let us solve the exercise part of it. So the first question is, let us answer. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. There was one thing which is used to irritate the king. There was one thing which is used to irritate the king. There was one thing which is used to irritate the king of the Gajapur. What was it? Of the Gajapuram. What was it? The strange habit of the minister, who always used to say that everything happens for our own good, used to irritate the king. Okay, children, the strange habit. So the answer is the strange habit of a minister who always said everything happens for our own good. Used to irritate the king of Gajapuram. Okay children, there was one thing which is used to irritate the king of Gajapuram. So what was it? The strange habit of minister who always said everything happens for our own good used to irritate the king of Gajapuram. Okay children, let us move to the next question. Why did the lion spare the king's life? Why did the lion spare the king's life? The lion does not touch anyone who is hurt or is bleeding. Since the king was hurt, the lion spread his life. Okay? The lion does not touch anyone who is hurt or is bleeding. Since the king was hurt. Since the king was hurt, the lion spared his life. His life. Okay children, why did the lion spare the king's life? The lion does not touch anyone who hurt or bleeding. Since the king was hurt, so the lion spared his life. Okay children, start writing this in rule paper 2 times children by pausing the video. Let us move to the third question. Let me rub the first one. Was imprisonment really good for the minister? Yes, imprisonment was very good for the minister because it saved the life of the minister. Was imprisonment was good for the minister? Was the imprisonment was the good for the minister? Yes. Imprisonment was good for the minister. Because it saved his life. Okay, children. Imprisonment was good for the minister because it saved his life. Life from the lion. Okay, children. Was imprisonment was good for the minister? Yes, imprisonment was good for the minister because it saved the life of the minister from the lion. Okay, children. These are the 3 questions. You have to write these 3 questions in the ruled paper 2 times, children. This is your homework. Now we start writing by pausing the video. Let us move to the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks with ECT words. Okay. The next one is fill in the blanks with ECT words, children. Fill in the blanks with ECT words. So the first one is in a democracy people dash their representatives. In a democracy people dash their representative. So here what we should write, we have to write ECT words, means the words which are starting from ECT syllable. Okay. So what we should fill here, in a democracy people dash their representative. Here we have to fill the word which is starting from ECT. Elect. See, the word ending with ECT. Okay, children? Elect. Second one, the coach. The coach is going to dash to team for the football tournament. The team for the football tournament today. Let me write all the questions first, later we will solve. Okay, children? Third one, we should not dash our studies. We should not dash our studies. Fourth one, operator, can you dash me? Can you dash me to number 2 use 77044682, please. Fifth one, I dash to do well in my exams this year. Sixth one, some people dash stamps as a hobby. So I have written all the questions. Let us solve these. Okay, children. The coach is going to dash the team for the football tournament. So what is the answer? Inspect. So here also the word is ending with ECT. So fill in the blanks with the ECT words. We have to fill the blanks with ECT words only. Okay. Third one, we should not dash our studies. We should not neglect. N-E-G-L-E-C-T. Neglect. See, again this is the ECT word. E-C-T. Okay, children. Fourth one, operator, can you dash me to the number, please? Okay, children. So here, connect. C-O-N-N-E-C-T. Again the word is ending with ECT. Okay. The next one, dash to do well in my exams this year. I expect. So here expect is also ending with ECT letters. Okay, children. The next one, some people dash stamps as a hobby. Some people dash stamps as hobby. Okay, children. Some people dash stamps as hobby. Collect. C-O-L-L-E-C-T. Collect stamps as hobby. Okay, children, you have to write these questions 2 times in the rule paper. You have to practice this. This is your homework, children. Let us move to the third exercise. That is spell check. Add ER or add ER or OR to complete these spellings. First one is RUL-R. Second one, DOCT dash dash. Third one, RAZ dash dash. Fourth one, SPRONG dash dash. Fifth one, ACT dash dash. Sixth one, SPID dash dash. Seventh one, WINT dash dash. Eighth one, SAI L dash dash, TAIL dash dash, 10th one, ENPE dash dash. So we have to fill with these words with ER or OR children. LURUL ER. We have to fill here ER. Now it is ruler. DOCTOR, doctor. Okay children. RAZOR, razor. STRONGER, stronger. ACTOR, actor. SPIDER, spider. WINTER, winter. SAILER, sailor. Or SAILOR, sailor. TAILOR, tailor. ENPE, here I haven't written. OR, emperor. Okay. RULER, ruler. DOCTOR, doctor. RAZOR, razor. STRONGER, stronger. ACTOR, actor. SPIDER, spider. WINTER, winter. SAILOR, sailor. DAILOR, tailor. EMPEROR, emperor. So these are the words we should add ER or OR to complete this spelling. Okay children, you have to write this in the rule paper 2 times. Now children, let us revise the unit number 10, Mr. Nobody children. Okay. The unit number 9 I have revised in the previous section children. Previous session I have revised unit number 9. The poem One Thing at a Time children. Okay. Hickory Dickory Dock I will revise in the next session, and the rope maker also I will revise in the next session children. In today's session, first I have revised the lesson Everything Happens for Our Own Good, and now I am going to revise unit number 10, that is Mr. Nobody. Okay children. Now open page number 36. Before going to revise, let us see some new words from this poem. Okay. Azar. Azar means slightly open. Azar means slightly open children. The next one, fade. Fade means lose color. Okay. Fade means lose color. Third one, mischief. Mischief means thoughtless trick. Behavior which annoys but doesn't harm, which brings angriness but it doesn't harm children. Okay. Now let us see the unit number 10, Mr. Nobody. Let us revise it. Okay. First I am going to read this poem. You just keep on moving your finger. Okay. Mr. Nobody. I know a funny little man. I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse. As quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. Who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree. And yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. This he who always tears our books, who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the button from our shirts and scatters pins afar. The papers always are mislaid. Who had them last but he? There is no one tosses them about but Mr. Nobody. The finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blind unclosed to let the curtain fade. The ink we never spill, the boots that lying round you see are not our boots. They all belong to Mr. Nobody. Okay children, this poem is all about Mr. Nobody. Okay children, so who was Mr. Nobody in this poem? You have learnt in the previous session. Okay, isn't it? Reshma ma'am has taught you. So who is nobody here? Here in this poem, the nobody is the breeze. Breeze means wind. This poem is all about the breeze. Breeze means wind. Gali. Okay. So he is Mr. Nobody. Children, the wind is here, Mr. Nobody. So I know a funny little man as white as a mouse. The poet is saying here he knows the little man who is quite as small as mouse. Okay. Who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house? In all over the world, in everybody's house, the Mr. Nobody does a funny things. Mischief means naughtiness. The behavior which annoys, which brings the angriness but doesn't harm. The Mr. Nobody does the mischief thing in everyone's house. Okay children? There is no one ever sees his face and yet we all agree. There is no one sees his face in the world. No one has seen him, children. Okay? There is no one ever sees his face. He doesn't have any face. Okay, like us, he doesn't have any face. No one sees him all over the world. That we all that agree. That every plate we bread was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Okay, children. We all agree that we never see the Mr. Nobody's face. Okay, children. That everybody's plate we bread was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Everybody's plate in everyone's house. Those all plates cracked by the Mr. Nobody. Okay. This who always tears our books, who leaves the door ajar. Whatever we have kept our books everywhere, where on the table, where on the other places, whatever the books we have kept, those all tear by Mr. Nobody. Okay children? Who leaves the door ajar? Means the Mr. Nobody leaves the door ajar, means slightly open. Okay? He pulls the button from our shirt. We are hanging the clothes to the hanger. We are keeping the clothes in the cupboard. Okay children? Those clothes buttons are removed by the Mr. Nobody. He pulls the button from our shirts. Okay children? And scatters the pin afar. Your mommy is using the clips to hang the cloth. Could not move here, could not go anywhere. Okay children? So whatever the pins your mother is clipping to the cloths, those pins the Mr. Nobody scatters everywhere. He throws everywhere those pins. Okay children? The paper always are misplaced. Who had them last but he? The papers, the useful papers, whatever we are keeping, those all are mislaid by Mr. Nobody. Means goes here and there. Who had them last but he? Who had did this children? Mr. Nobody. There is no one tosses them about Mr. Nobody. Only Mr. Nobody tosses them here and there. Okay children? The finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. Finger marks, children. You have seen that if strong wind is blowing, all the dust come and keep on your door, windows, everywhere on the floor. Okay? So, the finger, have you seen the finger marks on dust? So, here the finger marks upon the door, why not made by us? Those finger marks were the Mr. Nobodies. Okay? we never leave the blind unclosed. We are never leaving the windows open to let the curtains fade. We are not letting the windows open to let the curtain fade. Fade means lose the color. Okay children, we are not leaving the windows open. Mr. Nobody only pulls the windows to let the open. The ink we never spill, the boots that lying round you see. See children, this is the ink bottle. If we are not closing it tightly, it will spill all over the ground children. So that lie all around you see are not our boots, they all belong to Mr. Nobody. Whatever the things here done, those all by, whatever the mischiefness here done, all by Mr. Nobody. So here who is Mr. Nobody children? The wind is here, Mr. Nobody. So he is only doing all mischiefness in the everybody's house. He is cracking the plates, he is leaving open the window, he is leaving ajar the door, and he is misplacing the pins and scattering the pins. Okay children, he is misplacing the papers, tearing the books. Everything has done by Mr. Nobody here. Okay children, now let us solve the exercise part of this poem. Okay, first let us complete the stanzas of this poem. Question number 1. Complete the poem. I know dash 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 who does the mischief in everybody's house. This is question number 1 children. Stanza number 1 and this is second. Okay. The finger marks upon the door dash dash to let dash. Okay children, there are 2 stanzas I have given you, so you have to complete these 2 stanzas. Okay, I know, first one is I know. Let us complete these stanzas. I know, after I know, a funny little man as white as a mouse who does the mischief. The mischief that is done in everybody's house. Okay children, here I know a funny little man as white as a mouse who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. This is the first stanza of the poem, children. It may come to your exam, so you have to practice this, okay? The next one, the finger marks upon, let us complete this last stanza of the poem. The finger marks upon the door, the finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave. We never leave the blind unclosed. Unclosed to let the curtain fade. Fade. So children, these are the two stanzas. You have to practice this. Okay. Now let us write these two stanzas in the rule paper, children. Write these two stanzas in the rule paper 2 times. This is your division. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. Next exercise, that is write the opposites. Okay, write the opposites. Quite, first one is quite, second one is agree. We have to write the opposite word of these. Third one is pull. So what is the opposite word of quiet, children? Quiet, noisy. Okay. Quiet, noisy, agree, disagree. Pull, push. Okay, these are the opposite words, children. Now, anagrams. Okay, now we have to solve the anagrams exercise. Third one, anagrams. Anagrams are the new words that are made using all the letters from the another words. Okay children, anagrams are the new words that are made by using the other words, all the other words. Okay. Here we have to create a new word from these. They have given the words. Okay. First one, disease. So by this word, these letters only, we have to create one more word. Okay children, that only anagrams. Lamp, ash. Fourth one, plate. Let us create the new word by using these letters. Okay children, first one, disease. See, disease. So we can create S-E-A-C-S-I-D-E, sad. So this is the new word that is created by the another word. Okay children, by using the letters of the another word. A word which is created by the another word. Okay, children, a word which is created by using the letters of the another word. Okay, children, see side. By using these words letter only we have created the new word. L-A-M-P, lamb. Here we can create palm. By using these letters only we can create the other word. Ash. H-A-S, has. Plate. Petal. Okay, we can create like this words from these. So these are known as anagrams. Rose. Evil. Here, Zor. Life. Okay, like this we can create the anagrams from using the other words, letters. Okay, children. So this you have to write in the rule paper 2 times. Let us move to the next one. Quick, which, double E words. Plural of food. So what is the plural of food, children? Double E words. First one, plural of food. What is the plural of food, children? Feet. Okay. Second one, skin of an orange. What we are calling the skin of an orange, children? Peel. What we are calling skin of an orange? Peel. Sorry, P-E-L-L-P. Third one, the farmer sows this. What the farmer sows in the field, children? Seeds. The farmer sow these. What, children? Seed. S-E-E, seed. So these are the double E words, children. Okay. Fourth one, the animal has antlers. D. Fourth one, this animal has antlers. So it is D. Okay, children. So these are the questions you have to solve in the rule paper 2 times. Okay, children. Now your homework is write revision 11 in rule paper 2 times. Write this revision in rule paper 2 times and send a photocopy of it to me, children. Now here ends our today's session. Hope you all have understood. Let us meet in the next session. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye, children.